morning, all future leaders and world changers. Are you ready for the challenge for my real world business simulation? Hi, everyone. I'm Beth Purcell, and I can't wait to welcome you to BizTalk, Personal and Professional Communication, the most exciting biz comm class you're ever going to see. In our online workforce world, you'll write a killer resume, you'll crush your interview, and you'll climb the ladder on your way to the boardroom, all in one course. All in one semester. We're talking personal branding, pro writing skills, top tier communication skills, sharpening your soft skills, and creating a personal, professional digital portfolio that you'll be so proud to show off. Whether you are eyeing college, internships, or your first job, BizTalk will help you stand out and rise to the top. It's real world, it's high energy, it's your future, and it starts this fall. Level up your confidence, communication, and career-ready skills. Join me. Let's BizTalk.